In this video, I'm going to show you how to get back deleted email from Yahoo Mail. So the first thing you have to do is open Yahoo email, and then you want to go to the left here and you want to go to this trash icon, so to the trash inbox. First, you want to go and open this trash folder and actually see, of course, if there's the emails you're looking for in here. If they are not, then of course you can't do much in here directly. So if you've deleted them permanently, or if you can't find the emails in here, then of course we're gonna have to go to step 2, which I'm going to show you right now. But if there are any emails, you can just go and click on any of these and restore them, okay? So to restore them, it's super simple. If I quickly go and actually delete an email, you'll see how to do this. If I go over here, there we go, this is trash. You can see over here, you can then move this or you can do whatever you want. And if you click on the 3 dots, click on restore to inbox, and that's essentially how to do this, okay? So if you don't see them in here, there's one more way you could take, and this is to send a restore request, which you have to do within 7 days of deleting your mails. So you want to go to your official, the help of Yahoo account. So go to help.yahoo.com and sign into your account. From here, up top, you want to go to mail, and then from here inside mail, click on recover lost or deleted emails. When you go in here, you'll see it's going to say recover lost or deleted my emails, and it says if any of your emails have been deleted or gone missing in the last 7 days, you can go and submit a restore request, and they will do everything they can to try and recover your lost messages. If you click on keep in mind, you can go ahead and basically read all of this over here, and what's going to happen here, it's going to show you over here what's going to happen. So emails and spam will not be restored, emails in the trash will be restored, okay? And then some other things as well. So I'm going to click on send a restore request, and it's going to pop up a new window here inside the help page where you basically have to fill out this online restore form. So it's super simple. You have to type in your Yahoo ID and then the email address they can contact you to, and then you can type in when you last saw your missing messages, and then you can also describe your problem and of course first and last name on account, then click on create request, and then hopefully your missing or lost or deleted emails are going to be restored, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.